So when you're using your Maestro, lighting it is fairly simple, and we show you how to do that in earlier videos. But once your oven is on, you want to make sure that it is at max. The nice thing about the Maestro is you put it at max, close the door, walk away. Now, the very first time that you use this, similarly to our hybrid ovens, what you'll want to do is you want to put it at max, close the door, and walk away. You want to know within 15 to 30 minutes, so give yourself one of those two times. I recommend 30 minutes. So give yourself 30 minutes of it running at max with the door closed. After 30 minutes, come out, check the temperature of the stones and of the oven, and then you'll want to dial back. If you want to cook at 7 to 750, you'll want to dial back by about 50%. But obviously this changes depending on ambient temperature outside, if it's really cold or really hot, and by altitude, how much oxygen is in the air. So what I recommend doing is come back after that initial 30 minutes and dial it back to about 50%. After the 30 minutes, you do check the stone temp and keep mental note of what that is. Walk away after you dial it back to 50% for 15 minutes. Come back and shine that infrared thermometer on the stones again. Your temperature will either be greater than or less than or equal to that original temperature. That gives you your visual cue for my oven in this environment. I need to put the knob at blank. You can't set it to 325 or 475 like your convection oven. But this is the way, the manual way to be able to test that out and find out the exact right temperature for you and your Maestro oven.